Jaipur, Architects and Designers, a design firm who works with ethnic contemporary architecture. We aim to execute new design ideas and experimenting its impression on lifestyle. Today we are discussing one of our interior design project, The Graph. It is an office for financial services. The property is located in residential neighborhood. It is a ground floor tenement in a multi-storied apartment having separate entrance with independent parking spaces. We have been asked to transform a ground floor residential flat into workplace for a financial service provider company. It is having side margins from two sides and other two sides are having common wall with the apartment spaces. While discussing design with client, we often saw graph laying on his table. It is a part of his professional working that help us to shape the character of the space. Here we come out with a fluted pattern resembling to the graph. Which indeed an expression of fact and growth, forms a perfect material and design palette symbolizing his profession. The layout is simple with free-flowing spaces. The central reception area divides the layout into two parts, staff area and semi-private area with the main chamber and conference hall. The workstation and conference place towards either end of the layout, which can maintain the privacy, while main chamber is assigned at the northeast corner towards the side marginal area. The design sensibility gravitates towards the minimalism with fewer material and furniture. Wooden texture in combination with the grey wall forms an aesthetics of the office. The fluted wooden table, the side table with a painting on it, welcomes you at the reception. The fluted wooden panels in furniture with the glass in a proportionate manner makes the space looks balanced, where the glass allows a visual connections. The staff area interconnected with manager cabin. The shades of grey on walls and furniture creates an cozy environment. The main cabin is strategically located at the corner of the layout. One side, it overlooks the sit-out from window, while it is visually connected almost every corner of the office with the glass partition. The subtle color palette, the floating wooden table, the glass partition forms perfect space with minimalism. Conference room with natural wooden log table. The painting on wall forms a perfect design palette symbolizing the profession. Veranda area is one of the happening outdoor space. The transparent sunshade, the wall enclosure, variety of plants, the flooring textures creates a perfect interactive space. At the same time, it can accommodate small office gatherings. Use of black color floors, natural veneer, the natural wooden logs in furniture, the fluted panels on walls and furniture, the vibrant color painting made the space visually unobstructive with an ethnic essence. The final look of the office testifies that not only did the experiment pay off, but also successfully transform the disadvantages of the site into workable, inviting space.